Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to insert comments into an Excel cell. And this is something that's fairly easy to do and can really help as you're reviewing Excel spreadsheets or needing to add comments in a spreadsheet. So there's two different ways that I would recommend going about this. The first thing you can do is just right click on a cell. So let's say we see this cell here and it looks like a really great month and profit or whatever. We're just going to right click and then we're going to go down to insert comment. Click on that. So then this little comment box is going to pop up and you can write, whatever you need to, whatever you need to write, ask questions, whatever it might be. And obviously with this text box, you can expand it or shrink it or move it around however you need to. It'll just point to that top right corner there. So you can just kind of move it wherever you need to. And then once you click out of that cell, it'll just disappear. Let's say we need to add another comment somewhere. What you can do is hit Shift F2. And so then this text box will pop up and you can, again, write whatever it is you need to. And so it's very easy to do. Either one will work and get you what you need. And then you can click out of it and it will go away, but it'll leave that little red triangle in the top right corner. So as other people are looking at it, they'll know there's a comment there, and then as you scroll and or hover over that cell, then it's going to pop up those comments. So something that's very helpful in Excel if that's something that you need to do. Hope this helped. Please let me know in the comments below or if there's any other content you'd like to see. And remember to subscribe to the Excel Guy.